What's up everybody, my name is Cameron and today I'm going to be reviewing the active noise canceling headphones from Target by Heyday. Now these headphones are only $80 and in the box you get a carrying pouch, a 4-foot long aux cable, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, but in the box you don't get the charging brick. So nowadays we have devices that charge by USB-C, so if you have that, you can definitely charge these headphones with those chargers. Now these headphones have Bluetooth 5.0. The max range that you can get with these headphones is 33 feet. With active noise cancellation on, you have 35 hours of playback time. With that off, you have 75 hours of playback time. So these headphones are super comfortable. I've had them on for hours at a time, and I don't ever feel like my ears get tired or irritated. The ear cups are very soft, so is the headband up top. So you don't have to worry about having some issues with your ears or with your head. These headphones are super comfortable. Now, for the sound quality, these headphones, if I was to rank them between a 1 and 10, I would give them a solid 5. They're not Bose, they're not Sony's, so of course the sound quality isn't going to be up to par with them. But for $80, what you get, it's pretty amazing. The bass is really good and the clarity is really good as well. So when you have these headphones on, it's not like they're distorted or anything like that. But of course, like I said, it's not Bose or Sony. Now, as far as the noise cancellation goes on these headphones, they're pretty decent for $80. Of course, they're not Sony's, they're not Bose, so they're not gonna be on par with them. But it's surprisingly good for $80. And when I use them, I don't really hear much around me. But at the same time, for me to expect to have the sound completely blown out, it's kind of unrealistic. But like I said, for $80, these headphones do a great job of canceling the noise around me. Now, when talking on the phone with these headphones, when you have the noise cancellation on, it feels like there's a pressure on your ears. So I would advise you guys to turn that off and not to use it. It just feels weird and it's not a pleasant experience. I don't know why that is, but I just wouldn't use it while talking on the phone. But when using these on the phone, people on the other side say I don't sound distorted, I don't sound far away, like they can hear me clearly. So if you want to talk on the phone with these headphones, you definitely can, and you won't have any problems hearing the other person or the person hearing you. So when I had these headphones on, I did a leakage test, and both times the people said they can hear these headphones. So if you're on a plane or traveling, I wouldn't have these turned up all the way, just because you don't want people to hear what you're hearing. But they said they've heard it to the point where it's like, if it's super quiet, they can hear what's playing. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these headphones. They do leak. Now these headphones do fold. So as you can see, they fold and they also fit inside the pouch, of course. And as far as being durable wise, I haven't done a stress test on these just because of the fact that I don't want to break them. But it looks like the hinges on here are made out of metal and they're pretty solid. But up top, the band is made out of plastic. So if you're the type of person who doesn't take good care of their stuff, I can see these headphones easily breaking. But if you're the type of person who does take care of their stuff and just watches over it, you don't have anything to worry about. But either way, I don't think these headphones are easily breakable. So like I said, you just have to go ahead and take care of these headphones and not destroy them. So who are these headphones for? If you're the type of person who takes their sound very seriously, I wouldn't get these headphones. Like I said, they're not on the quality of Sony or Bose headphones. So for $80, you can't expect that type of quality. But if you're the type of person who has those little earbuds and you're misplacing them, or you come home from the gym and you forget to charge your headphones and you want to watch some content, then these headphones would be perfect for that reason. So like I said, if you're just looking for something to listen to, then I would get these. Now you might say for $20 more, you can go ahead and get yourself a better pair of headphones, and that is true. But if your budget is just $80, then go ahead and get these. Now, Target is always having sales on their website for Heyday, and if I would have waited to get these headphones maybe a couple of days later, I could have got them for half off for $40. And also, if you have the Red app or the Red card, you get an extra 5% off. So I'm not sponsored by Target. I'm just helping you guys find ways to save money on buying some good headphones. So that concludes this review. I believe I went over everything. If there's anything that you guys have questions on, please leave a comment down below or shoot me an email. I'll definitely be more than happy to answer your questions. But that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.